I am because we are, and because we are, therefore I am. We are one SSU, united together. That's the motto that I live by. Working together, collectively, partnering. I want to take a few minutes and illustrate this using the metaphor of a large oak tree. Doesn't look exactly like the large oak trees outside, but I think we have a very good replication here. Every time I visited SSU over the past 6 years, bringing high school students and middle school students to visit, I have been fascinated by the beautiful campus, but particularly all of the oak trees. Anybody notice them? How could you miss them? Do you realize that you work on one of the most beautiful, breathtaking campuses in this state and one of the most beautiful in the country? Have you seen the new buildings, residential buildings, the new student center, the new stadium, all of the older buildings that are going to be open? Camilla Hubert, have you seen them? Get a chance to walk through them before all the students are here. They are breathtaking. Everywhere I turn, I am surrounded by one of those old oak trees. Whether I walk from Hill Hall to King Fraser, or whether I'm walking on one side to the back, wherever I go, it's the old oak trees that I see. I wondered about, what do you think, if these old oak trees could talk, what stories would they tell? How long have they been here? How many generations of our students and employees have passed by, sat under, in the older days probably took a nap or two, studied, I hope, beneath these old oak trees? How many of our founders and early scholars leaned on one of these trees while conceptualizing new research, manuscripts, or working on a class project? How many physical plant workers have cut the grass, pruned limbs, or cut some leaning branches from these old oak trees? Envision, if you will, the entire campus as a big oak tree, as you see on this particular slide. Student affairs and academic affairs are fairly large limbs on the tree. So you might see over here mostly academic affairs and much of student affairs over here. We're going to see some university advancement, financial aid and some business and fiscal affairs, athletics, fiscal affairs, and others, technology services. All of your programs are either a limb or a branch on the tree. Our students are all around the tree. And as we move down to the trunk of the tree, we realize that we have the roots of the tree. But it's real important that we understand that between here and all of your programs, we recognize that it takes every one of our programs to function as one SSU.